In this video, we'll be looking at how to edit and customize a template in Silk, using the cost agreement template as an example. I will be demonstrating for the Mac version of Silk. To see how to edit a template on the PC version, refer to the video Template Editing on a PC. Silk gives you the flexibility to create and manage your own templates. You have complete control of these things like font size of text, logos, and colors, as well as having access to information from your database. Silk comes with default templates that are already created for you to use. What we will be looking at is how to modify an existing template. To access the templates from the Matters screen, click on the Document Templates button at the top of the screen. The documents will open up. There are 4 actions available from the Document Template screen. Generate Document allows you to generate a copy of the template selected. Edit Template opens up the template in Microsoft Word so you can make changes. Copy Template lets you create a copy of the highlighted template. This is useful for creating multiple versions of the same template. The Set Letterhead function allows you to set a standard letterhead on all of your documents. There is a separate video showing you how to use the Set Letterhead function. I will show you how to edit the Cost Agreements template so that it includes the Matter short name. The easiest way to create a new template is to find a similar template to what you need, and using the Copy Template feature, highlight the Costs Agreement template and click on Copy Template. Give the new template a unique name. I will call this document Cost Agreement Customized. Click on the Save button. Silk will open up the template editor, and it will notify you that you need to open the template from within Word for Mac, as well as the location where the template is stored. Launch Word for Mac and go to File Open. Navigate to where the templates are stored and open the Customized template. In the template, you will see the code used when the template is run. The template editor is where you can find these codes. I'm going to add a code to the Cost Agreement Customized template so that it adds the Matter short name. There are 2 ways you can find what codes you can use on a template. First, we will look at how to use the template editor, and we will look at how you can find the codes from within the Silk software without using Template Editor. There are different categories of codes available. In this example, we'll be going to the Matter category. You can scroll until you find these codes that you want to add. If the list is too long, you can press Ctrl F and do a search. I will now search for a Matter number. You can get Silk to go to the next instance of search by pressing the function key and F3 on your keyboard. Once you've highlighted the code and you want to enter it into the template, click on Insert Field. Silk will copy the code to the clipboard so you can paste it into the Word document. I will now type Matter name and right-click and paste the code into the template. This way, when the template is used, it will show the words Matter name and then Matter short name next to it. You can make changes to font size, styles, and alignment to all templates. As long as you do not change any of the code, it will not interfere with the functionality of the templates. It is also useful to know what you can copy and paste from other templates into your own templates. So for example, I was creating a new template from scratch, but I wanted the template to include the client's name and address. I can copy and paste the code required from an existing template. Once you have made all the changes you need to the template, click on Save in Word and close the template. Back in Silk, close the template editor. Now we can go ahead and generate template. Select the Cost Agreement Customized template and click on Generate Document. Save the document and it will open up in Microsoft Word. The new document now has the changes we have made in the template. Let's look at another way to find template field codes without using the template editor. The way you can do this is going in any field in Silk and hovering the mouse over where the data is entered. A pop-up will come up explaining what the field is used for and the template field. So in this example, if I wanted to add the Matter notes into a template, I could use the template code mnote. This concludes the video on template editing on a Mac.